Today I'm going to be reviewing DIPESI's 6-pack, 6 colors, soda can opener, soda can lid, drink protector. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at what we got in here. I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so here you go. You got your 6 in there, just like that. A color for everyone if they need it. It's actually a really good idea. It says save your nails, but what if you're like me and you have no nails? So this is actually a problem. Sometimes I have to have my wife do it. I've already opened this up. Am I allowed to show it? I don't even know. There's the can right there. Now, what's really cool, once you open it up, if you're gonna go away for a second, you are at a picnic, just turn it around like this and cover it up. It solves a problem that I have and a lot of people have, whether you're trying to save nails or you have no nails to open it up. This does pretty well on Amazon. It is an Amazon choice. It only gets 4.2 stars. I like to see 4.4, so I looked at the reviews. Nothing too bad. Some people says, well, it's not leak proof. It works. I mean, this, if you're looking for something it's gonna work, you're not gonna have any problems, it's not gonna break on you. Last month, November 2025, over 1,000 of this variety pack were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.